Have you ever wondered why your brain feels like it's running on low battery, even though you've done nothing all day? Like, your body is fully charged, but your motivation is on 3%. Yeah, that's your dopamine acting weird. And the scary part, most of us don't even realize our dopamine system is glitching, because it doesn't feel like a problem. It just feels like, I'll do it later. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how to reset your brain's dopamine, yes, in just 24 hours. No expensive detox, no monk-level discipline, just simple psychology you can actually use. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is addicted to tiny hits of dopamine. Not big hits, not life-changing hits, just tiny ones. Scrolling, checking notifications, opening the fridge for no reason, going to YouTube to watch one video, and suddenly it's 3 hours later and you're learning how to survive a bear attack. Every time you do these tiny things, your brain goes, ooh, reward. And then it wants more, and more, and more. Meanwhile, real goals, like studying, working out, building something, start to feel boring, too slow, too much effort, no instant reward. So your brain picks the easy stuff, even when you don't want to. Now here's the twist. Your dopamine is not low, it's overloaded. It's like a speaker playing music so loudly you can't hear the actual melody anymore. So motivation becomes blurry, focus becomes harder, and life starts feeling like one long mess. But here's the good news. You can fix this in 24 hours. Really, let me walk you through it. Step 1. Stop the micro hits. For just one day, reduce the tiny dopamine spikes. Not forever, not dramatically, just reduce. This means fewer notifications, less mindless scrolling, and no switching between 10 apps every 5 minutes. Think of it like giving your brain a quiet room to breathe. You don't need to throw your phone away like you're joining a mountain monastery. Just calm the chaos. Step 2. Add one boring thing. Your brain hates boring things because boring things lead to big results. Read for 10 minutes. Walk without headphones. Clean your desk. Stretch. Journal. Your brain will protest at first. It'll throw a mini temper tantrum. This is boring. Let's check Instagram. Let's check WhatsApp. Let's check the fridge again. Ignore it. After a few minutes, something cool happens. Your dopamine baseline starts to reset. Suddenly, calm feels good. Focus feels easy. And your mind stops running around like a toddler with sugar. Step 3. Do one thing that scares your brain a little. Not skydiving, not confessing your crush. Just something your brain usually avoids because it takes effort. Finish that assignment. Start that habit. Record that video. Send that email. Go to the gym for 5 minutes. When you push through even a tiny bit of discomfort, your brain releases a healthy form of dopamine, the kind that rewards progress, not distraction. That's the dopamine that builds your life. Step 4. End your day with one real reward. A good movie, a nice dessert, gaming, a warm shower. Give your brain something to look forward to, but make it intentional, not impulsive. When you do this, your brain relearns something powerful. Effort reward, and not boredom scroll regret. By the end of these 24 hours, something shifts. You wake up the next day feeling lighter, more in control, more motivated. Not because your life has changed, but because your brain is finally working with you, not against you. Your dopamine isn't the enemy. It just needs better management. So try this 24-hour reset. Your future self, the focused, motivated, actually getting things done version of you, will thank you. And your fridge will finally get a break.